Posting videos on YouTube is exactly how you grow, guys. I know a lot of people must have been telling you different things. Yes, a lot of other things that they tell you that even I tell you on this channel is very true. But it will only be true if you keep posting videos, okay? I'm going to be showing you the benefit of posting consistently and what it has done to my channel, both this channel and my other channel, guys. So in this video, I'm going to be very detailed, showing you how much YouTube has pushed my video in the last 28 days and why YouTube has pushed my videos, so that you now decide for yourself if you still want to keep begging people to come and subscribe to your channel or watch your videos or even help you promote your videos or your channel, or you're going to be taking the easy way out by helping yourself and doing it yourself, guys. This is working. This is real. These are not numbers I brought from somewhere. This is numbers that I'm getting on my own channel because I'm applying all of these strategies. So posting videos is what you need to do. Now let me show you my analytics and I'll be back. So guys, as you can see, I've gotten over 31,000 views in the last 28 days on a completely new channel, guys. Now let me click on it and you see how much I've accumulated over time. So this is 28 days. I've gotten over 31,000 views. Let me put this in 7 days, okay? I've gotten 13,000 views in 7 days for a channel that is very, very new, guys. Now let me go over to the watch time. Now let me go over to the watch time I've accumulated in this last 28 days. Look at it, guys. 1,144 watch hours. If you post on YouTube, you know that getting 100 watch hours is very tasky, like it's so demanding. But look at how much I've been able to accumulate in the last 28 days. Let me put it in 7 days so that you can see how much. 441 watch hours in just 7 days, guys. Posting videos is the only thing that can actually give you this, okay? Videos on your channel is what people watch that accumulates to watch hours. So if you are still part of those people that are begging for watch hours or doing watch for watch or subscribing for each other just to count numbers, you're not really doing yourself any good. Posting videos is how you will get all of these things. Now let's go over to the subscribers. As you can see, I've been able to get 601 subscribers in the last 28 days, guys. Are you seeing it? Now let me go over to the 7 day. In 7 days, which is 1 week, I've been able to get 230 subscribers. There are a lot of channels that started like over a year ago and a lot of them are still on 200 subscribers, guys, but this is just 7 days and this is 28 days, and look at how much I've accumulated. Okay, it's all of these tips you are seeing here is just YouTube telling me how far my channel is doing. June recap, what I did in June. Let me open it and show you guys. So this is exactly what I posted in June. I posted 38 videos. I post on the channel every single day, okay, every single day, and for the past 1 week I've been posting twice a day on the channel. So for June I was able to post 38 videos, as you can see, 18 posts, and it said record views. You got more views than ever. Are you seeing it? People watch your channel 29,400 times. Are you seeing it for this June? Because I created the channel in May. This is how much people watch this channel. Now I say most viewers were new to your channel. This is what I want you to see. Most viewers were new to your channel. So out of 29,000 times that people watch my videos, 97% of them were new people. Are you seeing how YouTube is pushing my videos? Say people didn't just watch, they reached out. You got 1,738 likes, 409 shares, 501 comments, 409 shares, guys. People share the videos 409 times in less than 28 days. Are you seeing it? So all of these things can be possible if only you post videos. Stop going around looking for people to help you promote your channel. Post your videos consistently, guys, back to back. Okay, back to back. They even gave me a tip for my thumbnails. Are you seeing it? Say top tips for your thumbnails. Your weekly recap. Look at my weekly recap. I was able to post 13 videos for the past 7 days. That is the last 7 days, and 18 posts. And now look at people that tuned into my channel. 8,400 people, guys, and I got 269 subscribers in 7 days. I was able to gather 8,000 people together. So imagine it doing it consistently, like back to back for like 6 months. Do you know how many people will be here? Do you understand me? Say this is how people found your video or found you. Up next, YouTube home and YouTube features. These are YouTube recommendations, okay? And now look at how much likes I got in 7 days. 661 likes, 166 shares, and all of that. So guys, all of this I've been able to achieve because of consistency. Now, guys, look at the returning viewers. 531 people returning to watch the videos like every time. So imagine having 531 people coming to your channel every time to watch your videos. Your videos will just be flying. And the more you post, the more these returning viewers increase, because the more you post, the more YouTube push out your videos. Do you understand? Now, look at the unique audience and all of that. Look at the subscribers. These are the times that they are online. These are the age, the gender, the geography. Now, let me show you something, guys. This is the views, 31,500 views. Now, guys, look at these impressions. Okay, impressions means how many times people were able to see your videos. 409,000 times. There was a time when I newly started this channel, it was just about 20,000. Okay, there was a time it was 1,500. But because of consistency, it has gotten to 409,000 people. And trust me, it will still keep increasing. As at last, like 3 days ago, it was just 300 and something thousand. Now it's at 400 and something thousand. Let's just say 410,000. So pushing out videos every time is how you get all of these numbers. This is the impression click-through rate. 5.6 is high for the kind of content. Okay, that means it's impressive. Now this is the average view duration, 2 minutes 10 seconds. Are you seeing it? All of these things I got from posting videos, not from doing sub for sub or begging anybody. So like I always tell you, post consistently. Okay, this is how viewers found my videos, suggested videos, browse features, YouTube features, and all of that. So guys, please post consistently. That's how you grow your channel, whether a new channel or an old account. Okay, this is what I have to say for today. So if you have any questions, guys, you can let me know in the comments. Guys, you've seen it all, right? All of these things I've been able to do because I've been consistent. And something else I want to add, a pro tip to everything we've been saying since, is look for your competitor. Now, there are people that are in that same niche as you are. Look for them. Look at what they are doing differently. That's what I did to grow this channel and that other channel I just showed you. So look for what they are doing differently. Look at their videos, look at their presentations, and know what is spicing their own up that is making them get views. And when you are able to get or note this particular thing, you'll be able to get views on your channel.